Welcome to Crypto Mining Rig, your go-to channel for beginners learning about cryptocurrencies and crypto mining. Today, we delve into a profound concept presented by Wallace D. Wattles, the universal thinking substance. This metaphysical idea revolves around three key principles. First, there exists an original, formless substance that permeates and fills the entire universe. Second, this substance possesses an inherent intelligence capable of creating forms based on thoughts impressed upon it. Third, humans can interact with this substance by forming clear mental images and impressing their thoughts upon it. The core concept is that thoughts possess creative power. When a thought is held within this thinking stuff, it has the potential to manifest into physical form. However, not all thoughts are equally potent. To harness this power effectively, thoughts require strength, desire, belief, and repetition. To apply this principle in practice, Wattles recommends the following approach. Develop a clear mental picture of your desired outcome. Hold that picture with unwavering focus and determination. Maintain absolute belief in the attainment of your goal. Approach your goals from a creative rather than competitive perspective. This concept emphasizes that thoughts are not merely passive mental events but potentially transformative forces. Through the universal intelligent substance, these thoughts can shape reality when properly focused and maintained. How will that benefit me in the world of affiliate marketing? Now let's translate this approach into the world of affiliate marketing. Here are the top 5 great things about affiliate marketing. First, low startup and operational costs. Affiliate marketing requires minimal initial investment and has low ongoing expenses, making it an accessible option for many entrepreneurs. Second, high return on investment. Businesses can achieve excellent ROI through affiliate marketing. For example, in the UK, companies earn up to £15 for every pound spent on affiliate programs. Third, increased brand exposure and market reach. Affiliates help introduce products to new audiences, expanding a brand's visibility and connecting with diverse demographics that might otherwise be out of reach. Fourth, a performance-based model. Companies only pay for actual conversions, making affiliate marketing a cost-effective way to drive sales and increase brand awareness. Fifth, flexibility and passive income potential. Affiliates enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere and set their own schedules. Additionally, they can earn ongoing commissions from existing content and campaigns, creating opportunities for passive income. By adopting Wallace D. Wattles' principles and focusing on these benefits, you can develop a mindset to set and achieve life-changing opportunities in affiliate marketing. Use today's financial condition and headlines to guide your journey in today's market. Thank you for watching Crypto Mining Rig. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content.